Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD basic tutorial how to add a texture into 3D objects. In here I have this simple 3D model. So we have this box, and to add texture into this box you can select the objects, and next we can click this material icon and will be appear material section in the left. To add texture you can click this option texture, and then to choose what texture you want to apply this box objects, you can click in here, and there are a lot of options to add a texture. For example, I will click a wood, and there are 4 texture you can use. First I will use this texture. You can double click at this texture and will be automatically appear into this 3D models. You also can change for projection in here, like I will change into box projection. Okay, and we can edit for width. You can click in here. Okay, move increase or decrease to width. You also can increase for height in here. Okay, and then we also have this tile option. You can edit for tiles, like you can increase for the tile. Okay, make it bigger, or you can decrease this U tiles. You also can have this fit tiles. So this for fit tiles, and then this for U tiles. If you're done with these materials, you can click OK to apply. Now to remove this texture in this 3D box, you can click a material again, and next you can click a texture. You can click this icon clear texture, and the texture will be erased from this 3D box. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD basic tutorial how to add a texture into 3D models. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.